If you have a sink plug that won't come back up, and it's the kind that doesn't have a little plunger, so there's no little lever pull up on your faucet to get it back up, what that means is it's a spring-loaded plug, and probably going to happen to you at the worst possible time when it's full of water, right? You're trying to get it back up. Turn it. You may need to get some rubber gloves. All right, mine just popped back up, but I'll show you what to do. Get some rubber gloves and turn it counterclockwise, because that's what's going to unscrew it. I'll show you what's going on here. Okay. This is the spring part here. And it gets really jammed up after a while. If you do get it out, take some PB Blaster or WD-40, spray it right in there, because it is a spring. And after a while, it should start to work again. Simply pouring liquid plumber or something down your drain is not going to work, because it's unlikely your liquid plumber is going to back up this way, because it's sitting down in like this. Mine is still really stiff. So it's hard for the liquid plumber and other fluids to get back up this way. So screw it counterclockwise, take it out, turn it upside down, then spray it in and work it free. And eventually it'll start to work again. To put it back in, you'll see there's some threads in there and threads on this guy. Simply put it in. Easier said than done, I suppose. There we go. Turn it clockwise to tighten it up. And you're gonna have to work it because mine is still stuck, and that's what happens. You can replace that plastic part, which I might have to do because it's not really cooperating. But you'll see what I just did there. When it was stuck down, try to turn it counterclockwise, and sometimes that frees it up. And also, if you don't tighten it all the way, so there still has some, see this way it has a little flex, unscrew it a little bit so it has a bit more flex, then I find at least it works much better. All right. Hope that helps.